In this age of high-tech everything, it's all about having a front and rear dash cam. Forget about it being a luxury, it's a freaking necessity. Whether you're stuck in traffic every day or you're a courageous road warrior on the weekends, you need a kick-ass front and rear dash cam to keep you safe out there. Lucky for you, we've got the creme de la creme of dash cams right here. We've scoured the market to find the best front and rear dash cam with all the fancy features, epic functions, and a price that won't break the bank. So strap in and get ready to discover the perfect dash cam for your sleek ride. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. VIOFO A129 Pro, our pick for best budget front and rear dash cam. Looking to save some cash? Well, feast your eyes on the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo. It's not quite as fancy as our top picks, but it still packs a punch when it comes to video quality. The front camera, equipped with an 8.29 MP Sony Exmor-R sensor, captures 4K UHD footage that's crispier than a bag of fresh chips. And let's not forget the H265 high-efficiency video coding and the plethora of bitrate choices you'll get with this bad boy. Now, the rear camera doesn't quite live up to the same standards as the front one. It's only got full HD resolution, unlike the slightly fancier 2560 by 1440 resolution of the Thinkware U1000. But don't despair. The rear camera on the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is still pretty darn good. It might not blow your socks off, but it'll keep your feet comfortable and stylish. Now, on to the not-so-great stuff. The camera units are not removable, folks. They're stuck in place like an annoying gum on the bottom of your shoe. The front unit, in particular, is a bit of a chunker, partly because of the LCD screen. But fear not, dear friends. If you couldn't care less about that screen, you might want to consider one of the smaller dash cams on this list. However, if you fancy that LCD goodness, then this purchase is a solid one. Number 4. Nextbase 622GW, our pick for best front and rear dash cam with Alexa integration. Introducing the Nextbase 622GW dash cam, the cool kid on the road. With built-in support for Amazon Alexa, this dash cam is like having a personal assistant right in your car. You can command it to start recording, ask for directions, play your favorite tunes, get the latest news, and even make phone calls. Talk about a multitasking superstar. But let's get serious for a moment. Safety is important, especially while driving. That's why the Nextbase 622GW is not just a fancy gadget. It's a fully functional 4K dash cam with image stabilization, What 3 words, and SOS emergency response. It's got your back, or rather your front, with its excellent video quality. And forget about those complicated installations. This dash cam is a breeze to set up with its genius magnetic windshield mount that even includes a GPS module. Talk about a smart design. But wait, there's more. If you want extra coverage, you can opt for the rear view camera. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, except it's mounted to your rear screen with a magnetic mount and adhesive pad. So why risk missing out on awesome features and top-notch safety? Upgrade to the Nextbase 622GW dash cam and hit the road with confidence. Your car deserves the best after all. Still searching for the perfect front and rear dash cam? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam, our pick for best German front and rear dash cam. Garmin takes the phrase, "the more the merrier," to a whole new level with their auto-sync function. This nifty feature lets you connect not 1, not 2, but up to 4 dash cams, all working together to capture your epic road trips. It's like having your own personal film crew, documenting every thrilling moment like you're a movie star. Imagine this. You've got 1 dash cam up front, 1 in the back, and maybe even 1 on each side. You're practically surrounded by cameras, ready to capture everything from every angle. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, without the creepy factor. And if you're rocking a van, motorhome, or any other large vehicle, this is a game changer. But it's not just about the quantity of cameras, it's about the quality too. Garmin Dash Cam 67W brings the goods with a wide 180-degree viewing angle, high-resolution video with HDR at a smooth 60 frames per second, and a nifty 2-inch LCD display. So go ahead, embrace your inner Spielberg and capture those driving adventures like a pro. Garmin's auto-sync function and the Dash Cam 67W have got you covered, no matter where the road takes you. Lights, camera, action. Number 2. Cobra Smart Dash Cam, our pick for best front and rear dash cam for image quality. Who says dash cameras can't be trendy and efficient at the same time? The Cobra brings you the best of both worlds with its stylishly bulky design and top-notch features. But hey, don't let its size fool you. It's all about the 4K front camera that truly steals the show. When we laid our eyes on the footage captured by the Cobra's 4K front camera, our jaws dropped faster than that guy who thought he could jump over a speeding car. Seriously, the sharpness, brightness, and balance were so on point, it felt like we were watching a Hollywood blockbuster. And can we talk about the minimal grain and abundance of detail? It's like seeing the world in glorious HD, my friends. Did we mention that the rear camera is included too? Sure, it may have a smaller field of view and its full HD image quality may not be as impressive, but it still packs a punch. So if you're tired of those dash cams that overpromise and underdeliver, it's time to level up with the Cobra. Trust us, once you go 4K, you'll never go back. Buckle up and get ready for a dash cam experience like no other. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Thinkware U1000, our pick for best front and rear dash cam overall. Buckle up, folks, because we've got something truly impressive to recommend. The Thinkware U1000 Dash Cam. It's like having a Hollywood director in your car, capturing every moment in stunning 2K 1440p at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. Or, if you want to go full-on Spielberg, you can opt for UHD 4K at 30 speeds. Either way, you'll be blown away by the jaw-dropping video quality. But wait, there's more! This bad boy comes with an optional rear camera that records in 2K 1440p too. With its wide 156-degree field of view, you'll have eyes in the back of your car. And fear not, this camera is sleek and discreet, so it won't cramp your style or disrupt your ride. Just slap it on your back screen and forget about it. Now, let's talk features. The Thinkware U1000 isn't just a pretty face. It's got your back with average speed warnings, GPS, and speed camera detection. It's a beast of a unit, so if size matters to you, well, there are smaller options out there. But trust us, this is the real deal, and it comes highly recommended by dash cam aficionados. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car's surveillance game, hop on the Thinkware U1000 train. Lights, camera, action. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best front and rear dash cam. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which front and rear dash cam you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching! We will see you in our next videos.